Hey everyone, I know everyone's going to love this one. Beginning April 2021, OpenBOM will put the calculated rolled up cost of a bill of material into its corresponding catalog entry if it exists. So let me explain. So prior to today, the way that it works is for every bill of material, here I've got the demo wireless router D3. This is in your demo data. You can get this by going to help and adding the demo data. The BOM will calculate the total cost down here as 1663. But if somebody in your company wanted to know what that total cost was, or maybe someone in your management, they had to open the bill of material to see this value, and nothing was automatically populated here in cost. Now, beginning in April, watch what will happen as soon as you open that bill of material. And I'm going to set this up so we can see it. And it recalculates, which it will do automatically. You're going to get in that catalog, you're going to get that rolled up value. So I hope everyone saw that. So now the cost of this bill of material is going to be automatically synced and kept live with its catalog entry. So that's really cool, but let's really see how that works. So here it is. It's 1663 in my catalog for that. Let's say I need to go to 2 hours of labor. We quickly calculate. We see the price changes in the BOM, and we also report back to the catalog entry the total cost. Here's what that really means: is that now you can share your catalog, maybe just your catalog with top-level assemblies, if that's the way you've organized it, with anyone, your management at your company or anyone, and they can see instantly what the cost of each one of those bills of material are. So that's the new behavior beginning April 21 of BOMs with calculated totals reporting back to the catalog. Thanks.